Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, we will solve question exercise number 5.1, question number 4, the last set of questions from question 9 to question 15. So this is the continuation of the previous video. So in previous video, we would solve question number 4, the first 8 questions. So basically these questions. No, this is question number 3, sorry. Okay, so last video we solved question number 4, the first 8 questions. So in this video, we will solve the from question 9 to question 15. Okay. If you want to refer to the previous videos, I'll give the link in the description box. Now let's get started with the question number 4, ninth question. So which of the following are APs? If they form an AP, find the common difference T and write 3 more terms. So basically we are given a list of numbers and we'll have to see if the list of numbers form under AP category. If yes, then we'll have to find 3 more terms. Okay. Okay, now how do I find if the list of numbers form an AP? For that we'll have to find what is D, that is the common difference. D should be same throughout the series. Fine. Okay, now question 9, question 9. So the list of numbers are 1, 3, 9, 27 and so on. So to find D, we will just write this first term as A1, A2, then A3, then A4, then so on. Okay, so D will be always A2 minus A1 or A3 minus A2. If you find any 2, that is more than enough actually, but then for better understanding, I'm just finding 3 here. So A4 minus A3. So here A2 is, what is A2? A2 is 3. So 3 minus 1. A3 is 9. So 9 minus 3. A4 is 27. So 27, that is basically the fourth term is 27. Fourth term minus third term, that is 9. Okay, so 3 minus 1 is actually 2. Then 9 minus 3 is 6. And 27 minus 9 will be 16. (27) minus 9 will be 18, not 16. Okay, fine. So basically here D value is not same. So what we should tell them? So we should say like A2 minus A1 is not equal to A3 minus A2. Okay. So therefore, given list of numbers does not form an AP. Okay, that's all. Okay. Now question number 10. So question number 10 is A, 2A, 3A, 4A, like that. So question number 10. So question number 10 is A, 2A, 3A, 4A, and so on. So we will say just this is A1, A2, A3, A4. Basically first term, second term, third term, fourth term. So D value is equal to A2 minus A1, or we can say A3 minus A2, or we can also say A4 minus A3. So A2 is 2A. So 2A minus A. Then A3 is 3A. So 3A minus 2A. And A4 is 4A. So 4A minus 3A. So 2A minus A will become A. 3A minus 2A will become again A. 4A minus 3 is actually A. So since D value is same throughout the series, so this list of numbers comes under AP category. And we will find the next 3 numbers as. So basically we are given first 4 numbers, right? So we need to find the fifth term, sixth term, and the 7th term. Okay. So using the general form of AP, so now we know like we're going to find what is the 5th term, that is basically A5. So A5 will represent the 5th term, which is nothing but the 5th term, which is actually A plus 4D. And how do we know this one? This one we formed using the general form of an AP. And the 6th term will be A plus 5D. Okay. And 7th term is equal to A plus 6D. So now what is A? Now here A is actually A only. So A plus. Okay, now here A is plus. So A plus 4 into what is D? I think D is also A. So first term is also A. D value is also A. So it's easy now. So a plus 4a will become 5a. The next one is a plus 5d. So 5 into a. So a plus 5a will become 6a. Then this will become a plus 6a, which is equal to 7a. So therefore, the next three terms, the next three terms of this AP is 5a, 6a, and 7a. Fine? Clear now? When moving on to the next question now. So question number 10 is done. We'll go to question number 11 now. So question number 11 is a square, then a cube, then a to the power 4, and so on. So basically this is, let me say this one as the first term, second term, third term, fourth term, and so on. To find D, so D is equal to A2 minus A1 or A3 minus A2, which is in this case, so A2 will be A square. Okay, so here the second term is actually A square. So A square minus second term minus the first term, which is A. Okay, and third term, basically A3 minus A2, which is A cube. So A cube minus the second term is A square. So minus A square. Let's find next one also. So D is equal to A4 minus A3, which is equal to A4 minus, here A4 is A to the power 4. Okay, so here is A to the power 4 minus A cube. Okay, so A square minus A, so we can just take A as common. So A into A minus 1. In this one, A cube minus A square. So we can take A square as common, that will become A minus 1. So in this one, A4 minus A to the power 4 minus A to the power 3. So which means we can take A cube as common. So within brackets, we can have just A minus 1. So if you notice here, obviously the D value is not same. So the first one is A into A minus 1. Second one is A square minus A minus 1. Third one we've got as A cube minus A minus 1. So obviously A2 minus A1 is not equal to A3 minus A2. Hence, the given list of numbers, that is A square, A cube, A4, does not form an AP. So this is the answer for question number 11 now. Okay. Now moving on to question number 12. Okay. Now what is question number 12? So question number 12 is under square roots. Okay. So root 2, then root 8, then root 18, then root 32, and so on. Okay. So now for this one, what we will do is first we will simplify this one. Okay. So basically first one root 2 we cannot simplify furthermore. So this will be just root 2. Now for root 8, what we can do, use the prime factorization method. So 8, take all prime numbers. So 2 4s are 8. Then again 2 2s are 4. So again 2 1s are 2. So basically now root 8 can be written as square root of 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Okay. Now this will be 4 into 2. 2 2s have become 4. So square root of, for better understanding, we can write as root 4 into root 2. So root 4 can be written as 2. So 2 root 2. So root 8, the answer is 2 root 2. Okay. Same way we will find for root 18 and root 32 also now. So for root 18, so for 18, take 2. So 2 9s are, then 3 3s are, then again 3 1s are. So now root 18 can be written as under root of 2 into 3 into 3. Again square root of 2 into 3 3s are 9. So square root of 2 into square root of 9. So square root of 2, so square root of 9 will become 3. So this will become 3 root 2. Yeah. So root 18 can be written as 3 root 2. Same way for root 32, we'll find what is the simplified version for root 32. So root 32 is equal to okay, now similarly we'll find what is for root 32. So 32 is equal to 2 tables, so that will become 16. then again 2, 8s are, then again 2, then 4, then again 2, then that's 2, then 2, then 1, okay? So root 32 can be written as under root of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5, so 1 and 2, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So now it's combining, this will become root 4 into root 4 into 2. So root 4 we can be written as 2. Okay, again there is one more root 4, again it is 2. Then root 2 we cannot simplify, this will become, so when you simplify this will become 4 root 2. Okay, so root 32 will be 4 root 2. So now this is A1, A2, A3, A4. Now D value will be equal to A2 minus A1, which is equal to 2 root 2 minus root 2. Then again A3 minus A2. So A3 is 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2. So 2 root 2 minus 1 root 2. So basically the answer will become root 2. Again 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2. Answer is again actually 2 root 2. Let's find another one also. So A4 minus A3. Here A4 is 4 root 2 minus 3 root 2. So 4 root 2 minus 3 root 2 again root 2. So since D value is same, so this list of numbers form under AP category. Now we'll find what are the next 3 terms. So first 4 terms are given. We are going to find the 5th term, that is A5, which is equal to A plus 4D. 6th term, that is equal to A plus 5D. And the 7th term is equal to A plus, 7th term is equal to A plus 60. So here A value is, what's the first number here? So the first starting point is root 2. Okay, A value is root 2 and D is also root 2. Both are root 2 here. So now A plus 4D will become A plus, that is root 2 plus 4 into root 2. So that will become 5 root 2. Okay. Now this one is root 2 plus 5 root 2. So that will become 6 root 2. And the last one will become again root 2 plus 6 into root 2. So that will become 7 root 2. So the next 3 terms will be, 5 root 2, 6 root 2 and 7 root 2. But then in the question, if you notice, they have not given in the simplified version, right? So they have given the question, in the question, the numbers are root 2, root 8, root 18, root 32 like that. So now the one which you have got is a simplified one. So we'll have to change it now. So here basically it's 5 root 2, right? Now how do I get the not simplified version? So basically which is 5 here, meaning this should have been 5 into 5 into 2 under root. Okay. So basically when I simplify this one, I would have taken just 1 5 outside because that will be root 25, which is 5 here, right? So but then I'm not going to simplify now. I'm going to take the entire one. So 25 into 2, that will become root 15. Same way, so here that will become 6 into 6 into 2. Okay, that will become 36 into 2 will become root 72. For this one also it will become 7 into 7 into 2. That will become 49, it will become root 98. So therefore, the next 3 terms of this AP are root 50, okay, root 72, root 98 respectively. Fine, clear? Okay, you understood this step. Basically, see, this answer 5 root 2 is a simplified version. Now we'll have to find what is the whole root for this one. So 5 root 2, basically how we would have solved. So it should be root 25 into root 2. So 5, we would have taken it outside. Now here, we'll have to put under root of 5 into 5, which is 25. So 25 into 2, that will become root 50. Same here. So there's 6, right? So 6 into 6 into 2. Here it is 7. So 7 into 7 into 2. So the next 3 terms will be root 50, root 72 and root 98. Clear? Moving on to question 13. So question 13 is root 3, root 6, root 9, root 12 and so on. Okay, now let's find D. So A1, A2, A3, A4. So D value is A2 minus A1. That is root 6 minus root 3. So root 6 or root 3 is not a perfect square root, but then we can split them and write like Root 6 can be written as root 3 into 2, okay, minus root 3. Again, we will just write root 3 into root 2 minus root 3. We can take root 3 as common because here there is also one root 3 here, another root 3. So we can take root 3 as common. So root 3 into, within brackets, you will have root 2 minus 1. Okay, clear? So the first d value what we have got is root 3 into root 2 minus 1. Now again, we will find another d value. So d is equal to, we can also find like a3 minus a2. a3 is root 9 minus root 6. Now again, root 9 can be written as root 3 into 3 minus root 6 can be written as 3 into 2. Here, why I'm not writing root 9 as 3? Because in the next step, I want to take root 3 as common. Okay, so I'm not removing this root now. So this can be written as root 3 into root 3. Okay, then minus root 3 into root 2. We can take root 3 and root 3 as common here. Okay, so root 3 into within brackets, the remaining again will be root 3 minus here the remaining is root 2. Okay, so if you notice the first value which we have got is root 3 into root 2 minus 1. The second one we have got is root 3 into root 3 minus root 2. So obviously they are not same. Hence, we can tell them like a2 minus a1 is not equal to a3 minus a2. Hence, the given list of numbers, hence the given list of numbers does not form an AP. Okay, fine, clear? Okay, moving on to question 14 now. So question 14. Question 14, the list of numbers are 1 square, 3 square, then 5 square, 7 square, and so on. So A1, A2, A3, A4, and so on. So let's find D now. So D is equal to A2 minus A1. Here A2 is 3 square. So 3 square, A1 is 1 square minus 1 square. So 3 square is 3 into this 9 minus 1 square will be 1. So 9 minus 1 will become 8. So again finding D. So D is equal to again A3 minus A2. A3 is 5 square minus and a2 is 3 square. So 5 square is nothing but 25. 5 into 5 will be 25. Then 3 square will be 9. So 25 minus 9 will be 16. Okay. Again, these both values of D are not same. So hence we will say like A2 minus A1 is not equal to A3 minus A2. Hence, the given list of numbers does not form an A. Okay, clear, easy. Moving on to next question now. Last question, question 15. So question 15 is again 1 square, 5 square, 7 square, then 73. Okay, and so on. Now let's say this is A1, A2, A3, A4. Now let's find D value is equal to A2 minus A1. So basically 5 square minus 1 square. So which is equal to 5 square is nothing but 25. 25 minus 1 is equal to 24. So the first value which you've got is actually 24. Now again we will find A3 minus A2. A3 is 7 square. So 7 square minus 5 square. So 7 square is 7 into 7 become 49. 5 square will become 5 into 5 become 25. So 49 minus 25 is again 24. Okay. So the D value is actually same. Okay, now let's find one more D value also, just for our understanding. So D value can be found like A4 minus A3. So here A4 is 73. Okay, so 73 minus, what is D3? D3 is 7 square. So 73 minus 7 square is nothing but 49. So 73 minus 49 again will become 24. Okay, see, now if you notice all the d value are same. So hence we will say like A2 minus A1 is equal to A3 minus A2. Hence, the given list of numbers forms an AP. Forms an AP. Okay. Now, if it is an AP, then we'll have to find the next three terms, right? So we have got four terms. So we'll have to find A5, A6, and A7. That is basically the fifth term. Okay, A5, fifth term. That is A plus 4D. A plus 4D. Okay. Then we'll have to find the sixth term. That is A6. That is equal to A plus 5D. Then we'll have to find the seventh term. A7 is equal to A plus 60. So now what is A here? What is the first number? A stands for the first number. First number is actually 1 square, which is actually 1. So 1 square 1 plus 4 into D. So the value of D is 24. So again 1 plus what is 24 times 4. So 24 times 4, that will become 24 into 4. 4 was 16, carry 1, then 8, 9, 96. So 1 plus 96 is equal to 97. So A5, value of A5 is 97. Now, what is A6? A plus 5D. Now. So what is A again? 1 plus 5 into 24. Okay, which is equal to 1 plus 5 into 24. So 24 into 5 now. 20 carry 2, then 10, then 12. Okay, so 120. So 1 plus 120 will become 121. So the value of A6, that is the sixth term, is 121. So the last one now, that is A plus 60. So 6 into 24 is equal to 1 plus 24 times 6. So 24 again to 12, 13, 14. So 1 plus 144, the value is equal to 145. Fine, clear now? So the value of A5, A6, and A7. So the next three terms of the given AP are 97, 121, and 145. That is A5 is equal to 97. Okay. And A6 is equal to 121. And A7, seventh term is equal to 145. Okay, fine, clear, easy. I hope this video is easy to follow. If you find this video useful, kindly subscribe to my channel. Meet you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.